After eating a turbo, engine health isn't the best, but I still feel like it should run, especially because it ran when I parked it here. It went something like 360, 340, 290, 300. And previously it was something like 400, 360, 340, 360. So you can see eating a turbo was not good for this engine's compression. And again, I'm in Colorado right now, so that's a 19% decrease in air pressure in general. So even the 290, when you throw a 19% correction factor on it, is around 345. So this engine's towing the line, just definitely needs rebuilt. But at 345 as the lowest cylinder pressure, it should start.